What's up, everybody? I was going to show another pick that I made. Looks a lot like the last one, but I tried to make this one a bit thinner. And if anyone knows anything about cameras, I got a Kodak Z885, and as y'all can tell, if I zoom in and zoom back out real quick, it looks really clear, then it gets real foggy again. So if anybody can help me out with that, I'd really appreciate it. I'm going to see if I can pick a lock with this. It's just a regular Brinks that I got. See if I can get this in camera here. And there it is, open. But again, I'm just going to give y'all an update. This is just another pick I made. I'm going to try to actually polish this one. So I'll make an update video when I do. And again, if anybody has any answers to fixing my dang camera, sure would appreciate it. Thanks.